Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Install the Skyline Edge build and the matching firmware image, because mismatched files cause launch failures. Once done, enable developer options on the host and install the emulator drivers so the OS recognizes virtual devices. Make sure virtualization is active in BIOS. Without it, performance tanks. Now create a dedicated folder and allocate at least 20 GB for system files. Then open Skyline Edge and choose the firmware you just installed. You now configure the emulator for a stable boot. Create a new virtual device and assign CPU cores along with 5 to 2 GB RAM per core so the system balances load. This prevents stutters. Then pick the GPU backend. Vulkan is recommended for speed, and set resolution and 16:9 aspect ratio to match displays. After that, map input devices by choosing a controller profile or custom keyboard bindings, and enable high-level emulation audio so games start producing sound without. You finish by booting the virtual device and watching logs for errors. The logs explain why a module failed, so read them. If the first boot completes, apply the shader cache to reduce future stutter, and then tune performance. Set a frame limit, tweak resolution scale, and adjust thread scheduling for smoother gameplay. If the emulator crashes or hangs, clear the cache. Reselect the firmware image or switch the GPU backend. These steps often fix compatibility issues quickly, so retry after each change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.